Oceans are one of the greatest and most important secrets of our planet, covering about 71% of Earth's surface and containing approximately 97% of the water on our planet. Oceans are the most diverse and complex environments on Earth, home to many marine species ranging from microscopic algae to the largest creatures on Earth, such as blue whales. Here are some amazing facts about oceans. 1. Oceans are very deep. The deepest point in the oceans is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, which reaches a depth of about 10,994 meters, almost equivalent to the height of Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak on Earth, if turned upside down. This means that if Mount Everest were submerged in the Mariana Trench, it would remain over 2 kilometers underwater. The conditions at the ocean's depths are extremely harsh. Immense pressure, very low temperatures, and total darkness. However, some life forms have been discovered that can adapt to these harsh conditions. For example, organisms that feed on chemical compounds instead of sunlight, or fish that rely on infrared rays to enhance visibility in total darkness. 2. Oceans are the primary source of oxygen. Although terrestrial plants produce oxygen, oceans contribute approximately 50 to 80% of the oxygen we breathe. This is due to marine organisms like microscopic algae, phytoplankton, that engage in photosynthesis, boosting the levels of oxygen in the atmosphere. Thus, we can say that oceans are the lungs of Earth, playing a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. It's also worth noting that marine algae can tolerate high levels of carbon dioxide, which makes oceans a significant contributor to combating climate change. 3. Oceans are a major source of food. Oceans are the primary source of food for many people worldwide. Around 3 billion people rely on fish and seafood as their main source of protein. Fish also serve as the primary food source for many marine animals. However, oceans face significant threats due to overfishing, which poses a danger to marine ecosystems. Some countries are making substantial efforts to regulate fishing practices, ensuring that fish caught are farmed and raised in environments that simulate those found in oceans in order to preserve biodiversity. 4. Countless life forms in the depths. Although oceans cover about 70% of Earth's surface, 90% of marine species have yet to be discovered. There are countless species that science has yet to identify, such as those living in completely dark environments, or those that tolerate extremely low temperatures. Some studies have shown that certain fish species living in the ocean's depths are capable of adapting to freezing temperatures or feed on chemical compounds instead of sunlight. These marine organisms in the deep oceans represent the largest undiscovered source of life on Earth. 5. Oceans impact. Global climate. Oceans significantly influence the global climate. Oceans play an essential role in regulating heat on Earth. For instance, ocean currents transport heat from tropical regions to colder areas, helping maintain temperature balance across the planet. Any disruption in these systems, such as changes in sea surface temperature due to global warming, could lead to significant climate changes like rising temperatures, flooding, or shifts in weather patterns. This highlights the great impact that oceans can have on Earth's climate balance. 6. Oceans cause hurricanes. Hurricanes and many powerful storms form in oceans, where warm seawaters play a crucial role in enhancing these phenomena. When ocean temperatures rise, they provide the energy needed to form hurricanes, which can develop into destructive tropical storms. These phenomena are increasing in frequency and intensity due to global warming. In fact, studies show that ocean temperatures are rising significantly, which increases the frequency of strong hurricanes like Hurricane Katrina. 7. Pollution threatens oceans. The oceans face severe threats from pollution. One of the most well-known forms of pollution is plastic pollution. Millions of tons of plastic waste are dumped into the oceans every year, causing significant damage to marine organisms. For example, marine creatures such as turtles and fish can ingest plastic pieces, leading to injuries or even death. Toxic chemicals like mercury also pollute the waters, posing health risks to humans when consuming contaminated fish. However, many countries have begun taking steps to reduce plastic use and enforce laws to prevent marine pollution.